Hey everybody, it's Sandy's Sandy's Cookbook. I'm getting ready to show you a quick little recipe. It's hot dogs and sauerkraut. It's late at night and I'm hungry, so I'm trying to find something quick and easy to fix. Here's a pot, I got water in it, and here's my shredded sauerkraut that I've opened up and put in the pot. I've got the flame on, about medium high, and stove. Some hot dogs in it. We have four hot dogs here. Kitchen's a little bit of a mess to complete this whole looking. I ain't been feeling good, plus I've been having problems with my hand and arm today. And boy, I ain't cleaning today. Here's, take your hot dogs. What you do is just cut them up. There's two of them. The other two. Got a little bit of seasoning salt here. Put a little bit of that in there. Oops. Okay, got a little black pepper I'm gonna put on it. And a little bit of Obey seasoning. You know, they have this in your kitchen, you leave this out. I just like using it in everything I cook. It gets pretty good flavor. And I add that to it. Alright, take a spoon, stir it up. It's pretty cheap. Canned sauerkraut, hot dogs, a little bit of seasoning. Won't cost you a lot of money to fix this. Okay, I'm gonna let this boil for probably about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put you on hold while it boils. I don't want to bore you watching watching this boil. I'll be back with you in about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. It's been probably about 10 minutes. I've got the stove turned off already. Lid off. And using the slide spoon to get it out. Pretty, like I said, it's a pretty quick little meal. Fix and it don't cost hardly much at all. It's some hot dog and a can of sauerkraut and a little bit of seasoning. It's no, it's a Sandy's cookbook and recipe for hot dogs and sauerkraut. Hope you like it. Subscribe and try it out. Have a good night.